Ali Ramya. I am ENT and head and neck surgeon and CEO and founder of Ramicos Cosmetics. And I am so privileged to come here in the fest that is kept for franchises by Mr. Srinivas. And we are so much privileged to be part of this wonderful, where so much of base of walk-ins are there. So let me come about the main thing about our cosmetics. The main thing we are keeping is ours is Ramicos Cosmetics. We are mainly based on Visakhapatnam, where we are IEC and DGFT and cruelty-free vegan and various chemical-free company, and we're concentrating more on Visakhapatnam and various South India, where there is very less people who are concentrating in South India on cosmetics. So in Visakhapatnam, this is the main place where we have started this company. And to be frank, this is the only company who is having various certifications of WHO, FDA and DGFT, IEC and WHO and ISO standards company based on Visakhapatnam. And we are very proud to tell that about it. And we are having various products, that is vitamin C and body brightening, that includes color cosmetics and non-color cosmetics. And we are coming up with next month about 35 new products of cosmetics that includes non-color cosmetics, which will be used, can be used by both male and female. So that we want to, main motto of this company is that we want to promote women entrepreneurship. What we are giving is that we are giving about 75% of funding to the franchise who is taking the franchise in relationship with women, and male we are giving about means like 70%, means like 7 lakhs, means 2 lakhs of products even unnayi, we are giving 2.5. what is the cost of the franchise is 2.5 for female, and male is 3, where 2.5 products is given free. For male it is given about 2.5, for female means sorry to be a bit precise, 3 lakhs intended. In 3 lakhs we are giving about 2.5 free for male, and for female we are giving about 2 lakhs low, we are 2.5 lakhs, so 2 lakhs we are giving free. So that this will be very much useful for women who want to start up their own companies, especially who want to be an entrepreneur. And the main criteria for this company is that we want to promote the healthy products, which is vegan, organic, cruelty-free, paraben-free and silicone-free and mineral oil-free. And we are seeing that there are no carcinogens present, so that there will be less chance of cancer, especially the skin cancer, which can be caused, and fertility issues which can be caused by the various chemicals present into the products, which was not told by me, but the various researchers have proved that. So the main thing about Ramicos Cosmetics is that we want to promote women entrepreneurship by giving about 75 to 80% for both male and female, where their male can also support the female, and also the about 80 funding kuda we are providing in a very reasonable cost, where everyone can be affordable, and the products are also in affordable, which were concentrating on mainly about the female and male also, but mainly female. But mainly entante we want to set up the manakantu unique brand we are having. We can clearly tell that your uniqueness about bay leaf oil, which was done R&D we have done in various places in India, and we have brought where various there is no serum that is having bay leaf. Inkoti lipsticks lo coriander seed oil and spinach seed oil, which is not there in various other lipsticks. So we are having unique point of what we are doing.